Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to teach you how to do this template class without a frame. Okay, so without a frame lah. Okay, which is something like this. Okay, alright, let's get into it. Okay, first come to library. Second, we come to door. Okay, then come to use opening. Then we use this one called invisible doorway. Drag and drop. Okay, make your size. So this size. Okay, like this. So maybe just 2100. Okay, there's something like this. Right, then come to room. Okay, as you can see, you have the wall like that. Right, next, come to customize. Go to system cabinet. Go to basic cabinet. Okay, parts, superboard, drag and drop like this. Okay, then I'm going to put one thing item. Later we'll render and show you guys how it look like. Alright. Okay, something like this. So go to come back to customize. Okay, superboard, right now system cabinet. Okay, select this one. Okay, make the size 1200. Okay, this one I give it 100, maybe 50 lah, 50. This one 2100. Okay, with something like this. Okay, press Z to move it. Hold the control button. Move, come down here around like this. Okay, move here. Okay, something like this. Okay, press material, choose material. Okay, then we come to glass. Okay, then you can choose this one called optical glass. Okay, like this. Okay, Control V, paste. Control V, paste. Okay, Control V, paste. Okay, if you guys want to see a little bit gap, right, maybe you can just move a little bit. Okay, do something like this. Okay, now I'll render to show you guys the result. Okay, okay, after done render, you can see something like this. Okay, you can see through inside, cannot. Okay, so hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, see you in the next video. Alright, bye bye.